Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the Shark Stratos Pet Pro corded vacuum cleaner and what to do if the light on the front keeps going red and it cuts out and stops vacuuming. Now this could be a very simple fix. It could just be that you've got it on the hard floor setting and you're vacuuming a thick carpet or a rug and it keeps jamming up the roller. In which case set it to the rug or carpet setting and it should be fine. But on mine I had it on the hard floor setting and I'm vacuuming the hard floor and it kept cutting out with a red light. So I'll hopefully show you how to fix it and then at the end we'll have a lovely cup of tea to celebrate. Even though this vacuum cleaner's got anti-hair wrap technology, if you've got anyone in the house with long hair or pets, it can still get blocked up. Safety first, switch off at the mains and unplug the vacuum cleaner. And this is the Shark Pet Pro vacuum cleaner here. I'm just going to lay it on its side. And this cylinder does need emptying. I'll put a link at the end of the video. Now you can see here where the blade is. We've got lots and lots of tiny short hairs from pets which has clogged up the roller here. Gently slide this button towards you. And then the soft brush roller gently removes. Now look at what we've got here. Months and months of build up of short hairs and dust and debris. You can see where those blades are meant to cut the long hairs, but it doesn't actually catch everything. So just gently pull all that out, and that is what's clogging it up and making the red light come on and the vacuum cleaner stop working. Put that in the bin. Put the brush roller back in. It's a very simple process. You can actually clean this soft brush roller if you want to. You can just clean that in cold water, don't use any detergents, and then leave that to dry for 24 hours. This one actually isn't too bad. Now just slot it in at one end. Just push it in, and then the other end it's got the metal connection for the sensor for switching the vacuum cleaner on and the different settings. So make sure it goes in the right way, and that small metal wire just touches that part there and it just pushes into place, gently twists around, and that soft brush roller is now in. Tell you what, that definitely deserves a cup of tea before I start vacuuming. Whilst I do some vacuuming, I'll put some other useful Shark vacuum cleaner videos around the edge of the screen. I hope that was useful.